Hello students, now we are revising Scratch software. Basically it's a graphical software which we have previously I have taken 2 lectures. So Scratch is totally graphical software which perform graphical activity. I'll just summarize it. Exactly, it is a developed by MIT Media Lab Lifelong Kindergarten, and its editor shows menu bar, toolbar. The front side shows menu bar, toolbar, scratch, stripe list, and graphical blocks are also there. Its a main component are sprites, scripts, script area, block palette, block description area, steps, moving steps. So summing up, we can perform it. Scratch is very simple and block based or drag and drop based programming language. The meaning is it is basically block based. Block means we can define area, and drag and drop means just click it, drag and drop it, paste it on another portion. So in this portion we can create animation, we can create sound, we can create games, we can create stories, a number of things we can perform it through Scratch software. Again, it is a very interesting software if you perform it. Uh, the main components of we can say Scratch windows are sprite. Sprite basically is a character in Scratch that can be moved. Script, collection of interlocked block. Script area where you can define your program. Then stages, blocks. Blocks are instruction or commands giving up different areas. Or we can say blocks are graphical command that help to give instruction to the sprite or background. Blocks are grouped in different categories like motion, looks, panes, sound, data. These are the areas where blocks can be grouping it. Sensing operators. To make a script for a program, you can click on category name and drag and drop the requesting blocks from the block palette to the script area. The blocks in the sound group help you to add sound. If you want to add it sound, add it to the sprite, play music. Some of the music are already fitted and you can just play it. Musical instrument and control sound and the control also. Tempo is the speed at which musical notes, drums and other musical instruments are played. Actually, it should be maintain speed for musical things, for musical instruments. So it is very important. Next is variable can be used for temporary storage. Now, one another thing, what is variable? Variable basically it's a place where you can store the value. You can store the value. variable basically storage device and which can change the value. So variable play a very important role. Next, the block in the event group help you to run a script when an event occurs. So the block basically it is available on event group. This thing is important. Now next is very important thing. We have already discussed in Python also. That is iteration in repetition of loop. So Scratch supports the 3 repetition blocks present in control loop. Repeat, repeat until and forever. So we can say there are 3 types of loops are there. First, repeat. Second, repeat until, and third, forever. All 3 are loops. All 3 performs repetitive task. Now the meaning of repetitive task is a task which you can repeat the number of times whenever the condition is not satisfied. So this thing is called repetitive task. This thing, remember it. So very important. And loop play a very important role. For example, if you want to print your name 10 times, so instead of writing 10 times, you can create a loop, and inside that loop one statement you have to use your name, and that will repeat it. So that is the main thing in case of loop. Now next is decision making statement. Check the condition and execute accordingly. Now next is decision making, means if conditions are there. So in decision making, one statement is there that is called control statement. So in control statement there are 3 types of control statement: sequence control statement, decision control statement, and loop control statement. Decision control statement have 2 parts: if condition and switch. Or if condition is a decision control statement. So this thing is very important. Decision making statement, check the condition, execute accordingly. In the if condition block, if some boolean condition true or false, that means if condition always apply when 2 values are there. 2 वैल्यू होती है, दोनों वैल्यू कंपेयर होती है तो ही एग्जीक्यूट होता है. So 2 values are there. If condition is 2, so first part will execute. If condition is false, second part will execute. यदि कंडीशन ट्रू होती है तो फर्स्ट पार्ट, और अगर फॉल्स होती है तो सेकंड पार्ट एग्जीक्यूट होगा. Next is sensing group, help you know that what the sprite is touching, whether any key from the keyboard is pressing or mouse button is clicked. So sensing group, again, if you are pressing mouse button, click, it will perform it according to your sense, whatever activity you have to click it. One more thing is there, the sensing group provides one command block, ask and wait, that can use to read the user's input. So ask and wait, that means whatever user is inputting, it will perform accordingly. So these are the main things which you can use it and you can perform it. Now this is the main points we have discussed it. Next point, some of the MCQs are there so that we can revise it, whatever chapter we have, whatever topics we have studied and whatever things are we have studied, we can perform in through MCQ, we can revise it. The first one, first MCQ, which of these function can sprites not do? Sprites can perform actually play music, moves on stage, and changing costume. These 3 things perform it. Program we cannot write it on sprites. See, sprites is a left side area which you can uh, list. We can see the list in sprite. So program we cannot perform on sprite. Second, what is the function of the when green flag clicked command block? Points sprites in the specified direction. Change the color of sprite to green. Runs the script and move the script. So when green flag clicked command block is there, you can click on run the script. Next, third one. So second MCQ, third option is correct. Next, third, the sprite controlled by the code block on the right will say hello if. So the value stored in the variable x less than the value stored in the variable y. Second, the value stored in the variable x is greater than the value stored in the variable y. A simple thing is there. Here, just see it, x greater than y. Here you say just see it, x greater than y. So B option is correct. The value stored in the variable x greater than y. Fourth option. Which block category contains the command to make a new variable? Which block category contains the command to make a new variable? So data is the place where you can create new variable. So data block category contains the command to make a new variable. Next is fifth in Scratch, a walking animation is typically done by. When you want to perform a walking animation, you have to require repetitive tasks. Again and again repetitive tasks. So using a loop to move a few steps at a time. The first option is correct. Instead of discussing a number of things, walking animation, that means loop is required. The number of times things repeated. Next, sixth. The function of the ask and wait block from the sensing group itself. So again, first take input from user. The function of ask and wait block from sensing group is to take input from user. Next is in the Scratch, the location of a sprite is defined by XY position on Cartesian plane, X and Y. You know it, that is Y axis and that is X axis, horizontal is X axis. So Cartesian place, that means productive place. Next, X. Which of the following is condition control loop? Condition control means you have to start and you have to control. So repeat until, add to C, repeat until. is condition control loop. 9. Which of the following is condition statement? Conditional statement is obviously decision control statement, and decision control statement that means if condition. So 9 C portion is there. If touches group color, then stop. Next, 10th, decision making blocks are present in the which of the following group? Control block is there, which decision making blocks are there. Now we have to discuss some of the, we can say, questions so that we can understand what is Scratch. So what are X and Y coordinates in Scratch? As you know, X position always mention horizontal place and Y position always mention vertical place. This thing you know it and remember it. So Scratch coordinate uses two coordinate X position and Y position to determine the location of X point. So X position range start from -240 to +240. That is range, define it X position. And Y coordinate, define position -180 to 1. Next, what is different logical arithmetic operator in Scratch? Obviously, logical operator, relational operator, and arithmetic operator. I'm just defining it. First, I'm discussing about relational operator. Relational operator is greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and not equal to. These are the 6 operators which use in relational. Here 3 are mentioned: greater than, less than, and equal to. 3 more I have told you: greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and not equal to. So 6 operators are there. Second, logical, 3 logical operators are there, like AND operator, NOT operator, and OR operator. Now logical, first we discuss about greater than. In greater than sign, 2 variables comparison is required. 2 variable comparison is required. In less than, again 2 variable is required. Equal to, 2 variable is required. Now logical operator, again in logical operator, if you are using AND, that means 2 conditions is required. Condition A and condition B. Or any one condition is required. And not, opposite not. That means if you are giving true, that means false, and if you are giving false, that means true. So this is the thing which you can perform. Now arithmetic operator is plus, minus, multiply, divide. Even modulus operator also perform it, but in this Scratch programming language software is not given remainder or modulus operator. So again, when you operate plus, that means 2 variables are required. When you subtract, 2 variables again required. When you multiply, 2 variables are required. When you divide, 2 variables are required. How many times will the command will be executed? Now see it. X is 7, Y is 0. Y greater than X, perform. अब Y बड़ा हो X से, तो Y बड़ा तो हो ही सकता, because 0 is less than X. तो repeat करते जाओ. So 7 times executed. The value of X will be increment by Y. Change Y by 1, तो Y की value increase होगी. It will be repeated until the value Y is greater than X. It will be executed until the value of Y is 8. जब Y की वैल्यू 8 होगी तब तक तो एग्जीक्यूट होते रहेगा. तो 8 times you can perform it. Now what are the various loops in Scratch? 3 loops I have told you: repeat block, repeat until block, forever block. Repeat block is a counter control block because it repeats its command in a specific number of times. Counter control means automatically control it. Counter is specified, and then when counter performs, counter satisfied, it will stop. Repeat until block. The repeat until block is a condition control loop. This statement inside this block are repeated based on the truth or falses of test condition. Actually, in this repeat until block, they have given a specific condition. When the condition is dissatisfied, the loop automatically terminated. So that's why they have given repeat until. Until means given the condition. Here condition is given. So test condition are dragged to the diamond shape in the repeat until block from the sensing or operator block. Next, what does the broadcast block in the event group help you to? Now this is the main thing. The broadcast block sends a broadcast throughout the script. Actually, they have given scripts. So before we can perform it, broadcast block, first we again repeat the things for our block. Because main thing is that block for understanding the thing, block is very important. So for our block is an unconditional infinite loop. We can also say in like Python for loop. The forever is an unconditional infinite loop because it does not have a test condition. We are not giving test condition, just executed it a number of times. So controls the execution of the command inside it. This is the thing which we can perform. Next, broadcast block. Again, revising the broadcast block sends a broadcast throughout the script. It activates when I receive message block from the event group. Actually, they have given event group, and we can set it that event group. We can perform it that event group. We can execute it that event group. So you can perform communication between the stage and sprites. Stage right side given, sprite left side given, both the combinations is given. These are commonly used to connect different events or run to scripts in the same frame. So these are the common connecting different events to a script in the same frame. That means in a single frame, two scripts are running. It also helps to prepare a scene with multiple sprites. You can have one sprite broadcast a message when something happened to it. Then have another sprite respond to the message. So these are the things required it in blocks. And we have discussed a number of things like decision control statement, working with the stage, animation to broadcast message. Just we have used it. We can also perform broadcast message through this animation. So we can perform a number of things in this case software, like moving a dog. Dog watches the changing color, bouncing ball. Activities performed variously. Butterfly ball game, catching the ball game, you can perform it. Music perform it, dance perform it. Tempo you can use it. One more thing says, suppose I say which coordinate determines the vertical location of the sprite. Obviously y, because x location always I told you this thing in first. X position horizontal, y position vertical. If I say which of the following is a logical operation, so and or not, these three are logical operation. And operator, or operator, not operator. Which of the following is iteration statement? Forever move 10 steps. It touches green, then stop. So first one, forever move 2 steps. Again, useful thing. So I think you got much of the things. But again, for screen software, you have to refer books. That is very important. It is not very easily understood. It requires a reading to fast to go through that book. FastTech to computer application with its Scratch and Python. It will be very helpful and perform many things. Again, you have any query you can ask. Thank you.